Alright, boys and girls, this is the beginning of the Lazy River, okay? As you can see in the background, there's this big platform where usually this area would be super crowded. There would be a line way back there, okay, of people just wanting to get in here and start the little Lazy River run. But right now we are lucky enough that it is empty. Well, I can see why they call it Rock Springs. There's a lot of little rocks underneath, on the bottom of the spring. All right, we are continuing down the stream on our little Lazy River run, and we've heard that there's actually shark's teeth. I'm not sure if it's true or not. I haven't found one yet. I am looking though, because you know your boy's got to look. But we're gonna keep looking, and man, this is pretty awesome. Check this out. It just keeps going and going and going. It's so beautiful out here, man. This is what Florida's all about, boys and girls. You gotta Florida every once in a while. Get out, just get in there. Alright, everybody doing what you're supposed to be doing now? Don't do that. What's wrong with you? Hey, you quit picking on the big fish. You're too little for that. Yeah, exactly. There's somebody down there. I made you look. How about that? Be good to each other. Stop it. Oh man, this part is really rough. There's a lot of rocks. You got to be really careful on this one. Woo! You know, oh! Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this small little video. I want you to be good, do good, love the earth 365. If you guys need any tour guide, I am your guy. Okay, so hit me up at chrislassa05@gmail.com or contact me through Facebook. The last thing I would like to say is thank you to my buddy, my man, my sponsor, I Went Coastal. Love you all. Be good.